So we finally arrived in Florida. We got our Florida plates, driver licenses, and registered to vote. We stayed with Jeannie's sister Mary and our brother-in-law Chet, who you met in the rocket launch video, and Jeannie's 96-year-old mother Dorothy Holly, who lives with them in St. Cloud. St. Cloud is just a little south of Orlando and was an early home to the largest concentration of Civil War Union Army veterans in the South, hence its nickname Soldier City. Incorporated in 1911, the city prospered by luring veterans with inexpensive city lots, nearby farmland, and a climate with no extremes. We will be leaving Florida on September 3rd, heading west via I-10 all the way. Next stop, Biloxi, Mississippi.